Hey, have you ever wanted to trade in the foreign exchange markets, or what we call Forex, but you just simply didn't know how? You watched tons and tons of videos. You had people try to tutor you on it, but you simply kept losing money. But guess what, y'all? The foreign exchange is a $6.3 trillion a day business. That's right, $6.3 trillion a day runs through the Forex markets. See, what it is currency trading. Think of it like this. You leave the United States or you leave your home country and you go to another country. You got to do what? You got to exchange your money to the country's money that you're going to. Well, guess what? You've either lost money or won money by doing that. The harmonic scanner, our simple copy and paste system, is going to allow you to make money on your trades. How it works is the harmonic scanner, it actually scans the markets day in and day out, okay, looking for what we call setup patterns. So I just logged into my scanner and I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you how simple this is. I'm gonna come over here to the left, I'm gonna click on the first one right here, and I'm gonna scan down for the 1 hour. What the market does is it looks through all these patterns and it looks for setups. All of these were setup patterns. So let's go to the top one right here. It actually looked through the market with the scanner right here and it said, I found a setup. And it gives me the entry point. It gives me the take profit 1, 2, and 3. Now let's look at this one. It went from the entry point up to take profit 1, y'all. Then it went up to take profit 2 and finally take profit 3. Now, not all trades go to take profit 3. Not all trades go to take profit 2, but the majority of them will hit take profit 1. And what I have found out is that over 90% of the scans, the trades that the harmonic scanner calls, at least goes to take profit 1. That's what with my testing, okay? I'm not sitting here guaranteeing that you'll make money in this. I'm not sitting here guaranteeing that you'll lose money. But what I'm saying is, what I have found through my use of the harmonic scanner is that over 90% of these calls have actually made money, going to take profit 1 at least. Our simple Forex trading copy and paste system uses this scanner where you simply copy the take profit and the stop loss into your computer or your cell phone, okay? And you actually start making money with it while you're learning. Let's do another one. Let's go down here to the last one. Down here, we're gonna scan the market again, right? It comes up with this pair, GBP, which is the Great British Pound, versus the US dollar, USD. I click on it. Scanner is scanning the market, right? And it's telling me right now, here was the entry right here, and it's going to take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Well, let's look at it. Look at this, y'all. It's going up, right? It's like it's gonna keep going up, what we call a buy, to take profit 1. And then I actually jumped into this trade on my phone. On my computer. I took this stop loss and this take profit 1 and I entered it on my computer. Let me show you. I'm gonna pull up my trade right here. Look at this, EUR, the trade. And look at this, y'all. It's actually starting to buy. It's actually starting to go up to my take profit right here, which is that red line. That's the line that they told me that my take profit is. So guess what? It's going up. And look, I am profiting right here. I don't even have to know how to trade. It's a simple system. I'm making money, y'all, with this harmonic scanner. So if you want to take advantage of our simple Forex trading copy and paste system, do me a favor, click the link at the bottom of this video and we'll get you more information. It is a simple system. You simply copy and paste these numbers into your cell phone or into your computer and the system will do the